This fellow just finished setting up the alkalizer setting now. And it seemed not to have used the right material because it's supposed to be about 2 feet, but it's managed with the client to put just about less than a feet of media there. And he seemed to be very confident about it. So let's see first, we're on camera. So this is the original water, first of all. Let's see what the pH is. Oh my God. Put against the reading. Whatever it is, this is like all the formula, please. This is about pH 4. Now the game is that once the pH beyond 6, yeah, definitely you are looking for a problem with it. It's because catfish is rugged. That's why they can still tolerate. Because this is a logarithmic table from 7 to 6. That means 6 is 100 times more acidic than 7. Now 5 is 200 times more acidic than 7. That's like your normal ever water. Then 4, that means 300 times more acidic. Catfish are indeed rugged. So let's see what happens now when I put the alkalizer. So you go for the water that's passed through the alkalizer and let's see what happens. So it's trying to take directly from the system now. So let's see their magic and see what happens. I can't believe this. Oh my God. Oh my God. We should collect a Nobel Prize for this. It's amazing to think that the water comes straight close to 7. Even as the progenitor of the concept, it doesn't cease to amaze me. Now, the meaning of this is that if you didn't have access to the alkalizer material setting now, you have to be buying sodium bicarbonate all the time. Anytime you fill your tank, you have sodium bicarbonate to bring down the pH. You can imagine. In fact, chemists now is the most expensive thing in chemists now. Fish people have bought every sodium bicarbonate for people with stomach ulcer and all that stuff. They can't get to buy anymore, all because of their phony catfish thing. So with this now, thank God, the chemists around here will be free from your own poaching of bicarbonate. Wow. I'm even, I'm doubtful myself because he has managed so much for you. I think I should say this on camera. Wow. I can't say anything after. Whoa. It just came to 7 straight. Nature is amazing. Yes.